Myself, Sahana Girish. I work as a lecturer in CSMS Polytechnic. Today I teach mechanical working drawing, that is 22341 code. Here, that is the topic, that is the intersection of solids. That is the first part, that is method of intersection. Here, methods of intersection involves two methods. That is, first method is the line method. In this method, a number of lines are drawn on lateral surface. Pair of lines drawn on lateral surface of one of solids. Now the second one is the cutting plane method. In this method, what happen? The two solids are assumed to be cut by a series of cutting planes. Here, the two solids by series of cutting planes. Now there are various combinations of solids involved here. The types of intersections are also involved. Now the types of intersections. First one is a prism is intersected by another solid. Intersected by another solid. Second one is, that is, cylinder is intersected by another solids. And third one is, that is, a cone is intersected by same another solids. Now the rules of intersections. See here the rules of intersections, that is, see here the rules of intersection. This is also an important part of intersection. So understand, that is, what are the rules. First rule is that the point of intersection will be visible if two edges which intersect are visible. Second one is that the point of intersection will not be visible if one or both of the edges are not visible. These are the general rules for the intersection. Now we will study some parts of the conventional representations. Now in conventional representation, some conventions are important, and out of which, that is first part, that is the metals. See here, for metals there are two types of conventions, for the steel and for the lead type. First part, that is for steel, draw the rectangular part and draw some inclined line. These conventions are used for steel, cast iron, copper and its alloy. Also for aluminium and its alloy. Now the second part, for lead, zinc and tin and white metal, for this again draw the rectangle again draw this some inclined lines and again draw the knurling like conventions, again inclined in opposite direction. These conventions is used for the metals like lead, zinc, tin, white metal, etc. Now for the glass. What happened? The conventions are like very simple. That is, again draw the rectangle and in square like portion again draw some inclined lines. See here, these conventions are used for the glass. Now for the packing and inserting material. See here, for packing and insulating material, again draw the rectangle draw some inclined lines again draw some horizontal lines. This convention is used for asbestos, synthetic resin, paper, cork, rubber, leather, wax, These are some packing and insulating materials. Now fourth one, that is the liquid. The symbolic representation is very simple. Again, draw the rectangle. Draw again the straight line. Sub dotted part are shown here. These conventions are used for the liquid, any type of liquid, that is water, oil, petrol, kerosene, etc. Now for the concrete. Now for the concrete. See here, the conventions are very simple. Again, draw the rectangle. Draw some small triangular portions. And draw some dots. These conventions are used for the concrete. These conventions is used for concrete. These are the important conventions. Okay, thank you.